Let me show you how that works very quickly. So I also had this format is very well. Okay. Now let's do for parallel period on. Let's do on month first. I want to have the measure here. I'm going to calculate for previous month parallel. Calculate function. You can see how it works very quickly here. It's similar to data, but as opposed to having data in our function, we replace that with parallel period. So I have calculate total function measure and parallel period. Very quickly, I would like us to see what parallel period does. So it runs a parallel period of dates given by a given set of dates and a specified interval. So basically, what this means very simply is we can decide to basically manipulate our date column so it returns values for just a specified date period. So for example, I can say I want to just give me values for the same period last month or the same period last quarter or last year. Now in this one here, I want to do for the previous month. I'm going to say use the dates on my dates, use my dates column on our dates table, go back one places on the month column, close the bracket, and then we can verify if this does what we think it should do. So on this table here, I'm going to add previous month data that I just created now, and then you can see that, oh sorry, I was adding this to previous quarter. I should add this to this rather. I'm going to expand this now, and I'm going to remove. I don't just remove that. Let me just show this. Okay, I'm going to add previous month parallel. Okay, and you can see that it does the same thing that previous month previous month did add does, and they're all correct. So let me just remove this for space purposes. I'm going to drag this here and bring this back. Actually, I'm going to remove this also, so we have enough space for other individuals. Okay, so now let's do the same thing for quarter now. How do we get previous quarter using parallel period? It's going to be a similar function also. And I'm going to say we measure here. I'm going to name this previous quarter. Previous quarter, I'm going to name it parallel. Function is going to be similar. Calculate total confirmed. Parallel period on my date column. Go back with one. This is one. The quarter tab. And then very quickly, something you would have noticed here is that for parallel period, you cannot go back um, by day. So there's just three options here: month, quarter, and year. Something to also note. So it's going to be quarter. Close the bracket. And you can see how it works here for parallel period, let's see if it works for previous quarter. And you can see that it gives you 139. And this is just what we want now. So basically, the purpose of using these different methods to achieve the same task is just explain how to use, or just make it clear that there's just not one approach to solving problems in DAX. And then previously we used previously we used the previous, let's say this previous day function to get back to previous day, but then this time we use data to get that same value now. So they all work fine. This brings me to the end of this particular tutorial. Please try to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.